capturing one fine girl that has been in my life for a long time. I want to make her my property. Sorry, no, my wife. No, she's not a property, she's my wife.
Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit, got me yelling out like the Scream House. Yelling out, we ain't selling no.
Hello guys, it's your girl again, and Abyss Kitchen and Bake is your soon to be bride, your favorite baker, and your bride to be. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is an Abyss Kitchen and Bake. In case this is the first time you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button to like, share, comment, and to get notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button to get this is the latest bride on board. So in case you're watching us, we're blogging from Port Harcourt, Rivers State, and our channel is all about cooking, baking, and lifestyle. Like I said, our video is going to take a turn very soon. It's going to be about family, baking, and cooking. You get? So something happened last weekend. I was supposed to carry you guys along, but I couldn't because it was all of a sudden. First we went to see my parents. After that we had our photo shoot. The photo shoot was all of a sudden because I won't say it's a sudden stuff. It was actually planned, but I forgot to start the vlog at the right time because before we got to the hotel, the makeup artist was really waiting for us, so there was no time. We just had to quickly start up our makeup section and the rest of the shooting, which I'm going to show you guys on this video. So you're going to stay tuned to watch it. You're going nowhere because this vlog has come to stay. So guys, I'm sorry because you're going to see half of it. We were able to enjoy ourselves. The shoot was so fun because I went with my photographer. Of course, you should know I'm my sister, our #1 photographer, my videographer. So guys, I just thought to open this vlog and then give you guys a latest small gist of how our photo shoot went, pre-wedding photo shoot went. Okay, so keep updating. I'm going to keep updating you guys. Like, you're going to watch it back to back on the next move. But for now, I don't have anything else to say. You just have to keep watching, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video.
I knew I'd find you here. You always leave when you can't feel. You tell me to leave you alone, but I can't stay away. I know I should let you go, but there's something telling me no. I know I should let you be, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me, but I keep on thinking of you and me, thinking of you and me.
Make you love until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a bush, a rose I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart. I do remember how I used to make you love until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a bush, a rose I can no longer touch. You're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one. I'm gonna miss you daily. A sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna.
So guys, we started up our shooting. It was so dramatic because my hubby and I, you can't just keep the both of us together without playing. I used to think that I can play, but when I met him, man, I met my second. And here is my kid sister, of course. She always wants to show herself. Our photographer. We played though. Even the photographer himself even got tired of our play. But the shoot was really stressful. This is us doing our usual playing method, cracking and still shooting, because man, you people did not tell us that this is what it takes to shoot a video. Though we were forewarned, our photographer told us earlier that it's going to be a long day. We're going to shoot, cry, smile, play, and all the rest. The two of us, it was really funny here because the photographer was at some point laughing at the both of us. We just had to just keep ourselves, because I got tired at some point. My shoes started paining me. The changing of outfits, we had about 3 outfits here. So at this point I was tired. Hobby was just trying to just say something to keep me going, so we could just round up the shoot. Those of you that have married, you did not tell us that this is how it used to be. I used to feel that it's just a one day something. Guys, let me give you a gist. So I was supposed to go do my clearance. I'm a copper. So I was supposed to go do my clearance, and they called me. Anyway, this is my photographer. In case you're around Port Harcourt, you're around Omok, you can call on him. Clear Photo Studio. He's your number one to go. Well, let me go back to my gist. So I was supposed to go do my clearance. This very day we did our shoot. They called that we should come do our clearance. Almost, it was hectic, but I spoke to my ally, and then he allowed me to do my shoot, and I went on the next day to do my clearance, and that was it. So at this point, we were done shooting, and I enjoyed the shoot. See what I ordered from the market. A very sweet, dark, sweet man. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.